Good morning, students. Today we are going to start air and atmosphere. This is your fourth lecture. In last lecture we have discussed about noble gases and their uses. Also we have discussed about the air pollution. So in this lecture we will discuss about air pollution, causes of air pollution and how to prevent air pollution. Air pollution is defined as introduction of pollutant, organic molecule or other unsafe material into earth atmosphere, that is called air pollution. Air pollution Air is polluted by natural process like volcanic eruption, crop pollination, etc. Mostly it is polluted by human activity like burning of coal, wood, diesel, oil, kerosene, petrol, etc. So, my dear students, in this slide, we can see that air pollution and causes of air pollution. Whenever air contain any undesirable particles or poisonous particles, then it is said to be polluted air. So here we will discuss about the causes of air pollution. First we will talk about types of air pollution. First, man-made sources. What is a man-made sources? These are mostly linked to combustion of several kind of fuel. When fuel burn, these substances combine with air to produce gases like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, hydrogen sulfide, and they causes many serious respiratory problems. They can destroy the ozone layer which protect us from the ultraviolet radiation of the sun. They also causes acid rain which damage crop and buildings. Yes, my dear students, you can see these are the man-made sources, means artificial sources, and they are very dangerous. How they are affecting our air, you can see and you can understand that. Natural sources are methane, discharged by breakdown of food by animals, for example cattle. Yes, many of the uh, cattle feed like hay, grass. After decomposition they are producing methane gas which may causes air pollution. Smoke and carbon monoxide from jungle fire, volcanic activity which emits sulfur, chlorine and acid particles which may causes air pollution. You can see very clear in images how many gases are coming out from volcanic eruption and fire in the forest. In forest you can see how they are affecting our environment and how they are polluting the air. Causes of air pollution: burning of fossil fuel. The combustion of fossil fuel emit a large amount of sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide and release by incomplete combustion of fossil fuel also result in air pollution. Yes, my dear student, incomplete combustion of fossil fuel. What are the fossil fuel? The fuels which are obtained from dead and buried part of living things like plant and animal which get buried under the earth for millions of years, and due to high pressure and high temperature they are converted into fuel, and these are called fossil fuel. and when they are burned, they are producing harmful gases. You can see gases are coming out from vehicles, from chimney, from factories, and how they are affecting our air. Automobiles, the gas emit from vehicles such as jeep, truck, car, buses, etc. pollute the environment. These are the major sources of greenhouse gases and also result in disease among individual. One more thing, my dear students, in Delhi, it is a major problem, air pollution, and many of the person they are suffering from respiratory diseases like asthma, tuberculosis they have because air quality index is a near to the danger line. You cannot get a fresh air in Delhi. When once you get the air, you feel suffocation. That is very dangerous for the human being. Agriculture activities. Ammonia is one of the most hazardous gases emitted during agriculture activity. The insecticide, pesticide, and fertilizer emits harmful chemicals in the atmosphere and contaminates. Yes, my dear student, when we spread out, when we throwing insecticide, pesticide, they are reacting with the water, moisture, air, and producing harmful gases which may lead to air pollution. You can see mining activities, harmful gases are coming out from the field, agricultural land. Mining activity, in the mining process, the mineral below the earth are extracted using large pipes of equipment. The dust and chemical releasing during the process not only the pollute the air but also deteriorates the health of worker and people living in the nearby area. Once you go in Jharkhand where coals are being extracted from the mine, you can see the health of the worker. They are very thin. They will look like a sick person. Why it happening? Because of poisonous gas are coming out from the mine and they are inhaling it, which are causing the disease, many diseases in their bodies, and they are suffering from respiratory problems. Domestic swages, the household cleaning product and paint contain toxic chemicals that are released in air. The smell from the newly painted wall is the smell of chemicals present in the paints. It not only pollute the air but also affect the breathing. Yes, my dear student, during the Deepavali, Chhat, your wall is getting painted, and once you smell it, you can feel it very suffocation. Why it is happening? Because they contains many chemicals and acid. Effect of air pollution. First, disease. Air pollution has resulted in several respiratory disorders and heart disease among the human. The cases of lungs cancer have increased in the last few decades. Children living near polluted area are more prone to pneumonia, asthma. Many people die every year due to the direct or indirect effect of the air pollution. You can see how air pollution is very harmful for our health. Many persons they are dying due to air pollution. You can see in news, you can get the data from the internet. Global warming due to emission of greenhouse gases. This is an imbalance in gases composition of the air. This has led to an increase in temperature of the earth. This increase in earth temperature is known as global warming. You know, when temperature of earth increasing, they are called global warming. This has resulted in the melting of glacier and increase in sea level, and because of global warming glaciers are being melted. Many areas are submerged under the water. That is a major problem. Many areas are submerged under the seawater, under the water which are generated after melting of glacier. Acid rain, the burning of fossil fuel release harmful gases such as nitrogen oxide, sulfur oxide in air. The water droplets combined with these pollutants become acidic and falls as acid rain which damages human, animals and plant, etc. Yes, my dear students, like a sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide react with oxygen, react with water vapor, water droplets, they produce acid, sulfurous acid, nitrous acid, and once they start coming to the earth's surface along with the water molecules, they are called acid rain. You can see acid rain, how it damages the statue of a lady. Ozone layer depletion, the release of chlorofluorocarbon, halogen, hydrochlorofluorocarbons in the atmosphere is a major causes of depletion of ozone layer, and depletion of ozone layer does not prevent the harmful ultraviolet rays coming from the sun and causes in skin disease, eye problem among the individual. You can see a small girl, she is using artificial gas cylinder which are filled with the oxygen because she is suffering from asthma. And why it happened? Because of air pollution. So my dear students, try to conserve, prevent the air pollution. Effect on animal, the air pollutant suspended on the water bodies and affect the aquatic life. Pollution also compel the animals to leave their habitat and shift to new place. This render them stray and has also led to extinction. Extinct, you have heard that extinct, the animal which are about to finish of a large number of animal species. So how air pollution is a very dangerous of our health, you can see in every topics. So in the next topic we will talk about prevention of air pollution. Thank you and have a nice day.